Hi, welcome back. Now it runs in daemon mode. You can check docker ps. Sorry, docker ps. See, this is the container ID. It's running on port 8888, and this port is calling internal port of 8080. 8080 is the listening port for the container, and it has a name. Now let's try to access this again. Okay, now we are able to access it. Now we need to go into this container. For this we have two commands. One is attach and the other is execute. Attach, you will be basically attaching into that container, and when you come out of it, or if you do anything, the process will be killed. Better than that is the docker docker exe execute. Okay, in which form you want to use, in interactive mode, to which process you want to attach to this container, and hit enter. Run a command. Now we are into the root of this. Type ls. Run a command in running container. Oh, sorry, 1 second. You need to specify bash, so that now we are into root of Tomcat. ls. See, you have all. Now let's move into web apps and try to download a var file. Let me get the var location. I'll pause it for a sec. Hi, welcome back. I have uploaded the var into Dropbox, and I have a var link. Now to download this var, we have a utility called wget var, and it downloads the var and puts it. Now let's see. Okay, this thing I want to tell: term variable, environment variable not set. We need to set this term variable so that the display will be export. We need to use this command export term to xterm. Okay, now we will be able to execute all the clear and those kinds of nano editor commands. Now let us list. See, we have railway rest.var. Now let's try to access a page inside railway rest. We have a port. This is working fine. /railway rest / a page send sms dot jar dot jsp. See, it is working. It's working fine. Now you can give a number and hit message and hit submit. Now that we have our modified version, remember Control P, Control Q to always quit process without killing it. See, docker ps, it's still running. I did not kill the process. You can use exec to attach into the process using bash command and try to do it. Now that we have modified this, we will try to do one thing. We'll try to push this. For pushing this, docker help. I always get this. Docker help. We need to log in. First one, you will have a command. Wait, I'll show. Login into docker registry. Okay, docker login login. docker login. It's asking for username, and now it's asking for password. Password doesn't appear, but if you click, if the password is correct, it will display login success. Now this command prompt has got a token, access token. Now you can push anything into the repository. Before I start anything, let me show you my repository. My profile. Okay, I have only one thing, Java runtime post, and now let's try to push another one. Docker ps all the processes. We have a command called commit. Commit will be used to save a new image out of the existing running container. Docker, am I running out of time? No. Docker commit. What you want to commit? This one, and give it a name. It's a good practice to give your repository name / Tomcat followed by version number 9.0. Okay, it's committed. Let's see, Docker images. Now we have this Bharadwaj Tomcat. Okay, now let's try to push that into repository. Docker push repository name, or you can go with image ID. Okay, you need to give it a tag. What's the name of it? It's pushing. Wow, it's pushed. Let's check it. Hola, we have this. Number of poles 0. Now we can do it. This is for Tomcat. The basic thing, you can download anything. HTTP. Say for example, HTTP d:2.4. See now. Oh, we need to specify a port to run it. Control Q. Again, I need to relog in. If you don't give daemon, you need to relog in. UBUNTU@ this public IP. sudo -i for root access. Okay, docker ps. See, we have one running on 80 and other. Let's try to kill that one. docker kill and try to remove it also. Okay, now again docker ps. Okay, docker images.